Have you ever? This is a report about helicopters. Have you ever seen something spin so fast you only see a quarter of it, such as a helicopter's propeller? If you stick your head out of the helicopter, its propeller will be right above you. Helicopters are very rough and mighty. The fastest they can go is 244.9 miles per hour. In fact, helicopters are so fast that Scott Caprins and Steve Cheek flew around the world in 13 days. The highest they could go is 40,820 feet high. Helicopters are very useful. They can fly in any weather. In fact, even the president flies in one. He flies in a main one. By listening to this, it sounds like helicopters are more interesting than planes. And here is a picture of what is the thing. So, right here is all the wire and some stuff that can show that helicopters are useful. Because here's hail. They can go in hail. Here's a storm with lightning. Here's snow falling down. And here's rain. And there's all the weather.